To calibrate the Millar catheter using a manometer, all I need is a standard manometer with some tubing and a hemostatic valve. With one end has got a valve which you can open and close. It's got a port for a syringe and then another connector on the other end which is open. The catheter is soaking in 37 degrees saline for at least 30 minutes before use and before calibration. The catheter is connected to an AEC 10D interface cable, to a bridge amp which is connected to a power lab which is running LabChart software. The first thing I'm going to do is fill up the valve with some saline for the catheter. So I do this by removing the cap, making sure that the valve is all the way open. I'm then going to connect a syringe with 37 degrees saline in there. I'm going to close off the one end of the valve and then slowly introduce saline into the valve. You can see that there is fluid inside the valve. And then I can close off the valve. It's closed off, and now I can connect the manometer to the other end. Go. Now I can remove the syringe just for the time being and open up the valve again. Open up all the way. And now I take the catheter, insert this inside the valve, and then I will close the valve carefully. Not too tight. There we go. And now, because it is open to air on this port, I can go to my LabChart software. I can go to bridge amp, and my range is on 10 millivolts, and now I'm going to zero the catheter as it is open to air. It takes a couple of seconds to zero it. Now it's zeroed. I can click OK, and now I can start recording. So I know that this is my zero value, 0 millimeters of mercury, so I'm just going to drop a comment for the 0 point, and next I can now connect the saline again, and now I can slowly increase the pressure. You can see the dial is going up. I can increase that to 100. I'm going to enter 100 into my comments, and when it's sitting at 100, there we go, I will drop the comment and I can let go and click stop. So now all I need to do is make a selection between those two comments for those known values and go to units conversion. The first part we know is 0 millimeters of mercury, and the end part is where it was 100 millimeters of mercury. Select my units as millimeters of mercury, click OK, and now my data is calibrated for millimeters of mercury.